What is the most effective way to remove pathogens from hands? A. Rinsing with warm water. B. Using hand sanitizer only. C. Washing hands with soap and water. D. Wiping hands with a towel. Answer: C. Washing hands with soap and water. Which symptom requires an employee to be excluded from the food establishment? A. Headache. B. Sore throat. C. Cough. D. Vomiting. Answer: D. Vomiting. What is the correct minimum internal cooking temperature for poultry? A. 135 degrees Fahrenheit 57 degrees Celsius. B. 145 degrees Fahrenheit 63 degrees Celsius. C. 155 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Celsius. D. 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius. Answer: D. 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius. Cross-contamination occurs when A. Pathogens transfer from one surface or food to another. B. Clean utensils are used repeatedly. C. Chemicals are stored away from food. D. Food is cooled too quickly. Answer: A. Pathogens transfer from one surface or food to another. Which food is safest to store on the top shelf of a refrigerator? A. Raw chicken. B. Raw ground beef. C. Raw fish. D. Ready-to-eat lettuce. Answer: D. Ready-to-eat lettuce. The proper concentration for chlorine sanitizer in food service is A. 10 to 20 ppm. B. 50 to 100 ppm. C. 120 to 200 ppm. D. 300 ppm. Answer: B. 50 to 100 ppm. What is the main purpose of wearing gloves in food service? A. To keep hands warm. B. To prevent chemical contamination. C. To replace hand washing. D. To prevent contamination of food. Answer: D. To prevent contamination of food. A food handler must wash their hands after A. Adjusting hair. B. Eating food. C. Handling raw meat. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. Hot foods must be held at or above what temperature? A. 120 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 135 degrees Fahrenheit 57 degrees Celsius. C. 130 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer: B. 135 degrees Fahrenheit 57 degrees Celsius. Cold foods must be held at or below A. 50 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 45 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 41 degrees Fahrenheit 5 degrees Celsius. D. 38 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer: C. 41 degrees Fahrenheit 5 degrees Celsius. Which type of contamination involves cleaning agents getting into food? A. Physical. B. Chemical. C. Viral. D. Biological. Answer: B. Chemical. The danger zone for bacterial growth is A. 20 degrees Fahrenheit to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 5 degrees Celsius to 57 degrees Celsius. C. 10 degrees Fahrenheit to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 0 degrees Fahrenheit to 45 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer: B. 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 5 degrees Celsius to 57 degrees Celsius. What should a food handler do if they cut their finger? A. Continue working. B. Rinse with hot water. C. Apply lotion. D. Bandage the cut and wear a glove. Answer: D. Bandage the cut and wear a glove. Which food is considered potentially hazardous? A. Cooked rice. B. Sugar. C. Canned beans. D. Dry pasta. Answer A. Cooked rice. A sign of rodent infestation is A. A few ants. B. Dust on shelves. C. Droppings on floors or shelves. D. Clean storage areas. Answer C. Droppings on floors or shelves. HACCP is used to A. Count employees. B. Measure food cost. C. Identify and control food safety hazards. D. Improve customer service. Answer C. Identify and control food safety hazards. When tasting food, a food handler must A. Use their fingers. B. Use the same spoon repeatedly. C. Blow on the food. D. Use a clean spoon for each taste. Answer D. Use a clean spoon for each taste. Food should be reheated to A. 120 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 130 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 150 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius. Answer D. 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius. What is the first step of dishwashing in a 3-compartment sink? A. Sanitizing. B. Rinsing. C. Washing. D. Soaking. Answer C. Washing. When must a thermometer be cleaned and sanitized? A. Weekly. B. Monthly. C. After each use. D. Only if dirty. Answer C. After each use. Which organism is commonly linked to poultry and eggs? A. Norovirus. B. Hepatitis A. C. E. coli. D. Salmonella. Answer D. Salmonella. Which food is safe to eat without cooking? A. Raw eggs. B. Raw seafood. C. Raw flour. D. Pasteurized milk. Answer D. Pasteurized milk. The best way to cool large amounts of soup quickly is A. Cover and refrigerate. B. Leave on counter. C. Use an ice bath and stir frequently. D. Freeze it immediately. Answer C. Use an ice bath and stir frequently. A swollen can may indicate A. Heat damage. B. It was stored upside down. C. Botulism risk. D. Good quality. Answer C. Botulism risk. What is the safest method to thaw frozen meat? A. On the counter. B. In warm water. C. In the refrigerator. D. In sunlight. Answer C. In the refrigerator. Jewelry that food handlers may wear is limited to A. Bracelets. B. Watches. C. Neck chains. D. A plain wedding band. Answer D. A plain wedding band. A food allergen is A. A chemical cleaner. B. A type of bacteria. C. A nutrient. D. A protein that triggers an immune reaction. Answer D. A protein that triggers an immune reaction. Foodborne viruses are usually spread through A. Improper cooking. B. Poor personal hygiene. C. Pesticides. D. High heat. Answer B. Poor personal hygiene. What is the correct internal temperature for ground beef? A. 135 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 155 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Celsius. C. 165 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer B. 155 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Celsius. A physical hazard includes A. Pesticides. B. Viruses. C. Metal shavings. D. Bacteria. Answer, C. Metal shavings. A surface must be cleaned and sanitized when A. Switching from raw meat to vegetables. B. After 4 hours of continuous use. C. After contamination. D. All of the above. Answer, D. All of the above. When receiving shell eggs, they must be at A. 60 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 50 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 45 degrees Fahrenheit 7 degrees Celsius or below. D. 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer, C. 45 degrees Fahrenheit 7 degrees Celsius or below. Which person should be restricted from working with food? A. Runny nose. B. Fatigue. C. Sore throat with fever. D. All of the above. Answer, D. All of the above. What is the correct storage order, top to bottom? A. Poultry fish ready to eat. B. Ground beef poultry ready to eat. C. Ready to eat fish poultry. D. Ready to eat poultry ground beef. Answer, C. Ready to eat fish poultry. Which food is most likely to contain norovirus? A. Chocolate. B. Raw shellfish. C. Dry cereal. D. Candy. Answer, B. Raw shellfish. The correct way to measure sanitizer strength is A. Smelling it. B. Tasting it. C. Guessing by color. D. Using test strips. Answer, D. Using test strips. Food waste should be stored in A. Open containers. B. Leaking bags. C. Tightly covered, durable containers. D. Cardboard boxes. Answer, C. Tightly covered, durable containers. What is the safest ice for drinks? A. Ice used to store seafood. B. Ice handled by bare hands. C. Ice made from potable water. D. Ice that fell on the floor. Answer, C. Ice made from potable water. Which method prevents pests? A. Leaving doors open. B. Storing food 6 inches off the floor. C. Keeping garbage uncovered. D. Saving cardboard. Answer, B. Storing food 6 inches off the floor. A food handler sneezes near food. What should they do? A. Continue working. B. Step back and resume. C. Wash hands and discard contaminated food. D. Ignore it. Answer, C. Wash hands and discard contaminated food. Chemical containers must be A. Color-coded. B. Stored next to flour. C. Labeled clearly. D. Unlabeled if used daily. Answer, C. Labeled clearly. When must single-use gloves be changed? A. Every 4 hours. B. When switching tasks. C. When torn. D. All of the above. Answer, D. All of the above. Which food must be cooked to 145 degrees Fahrenheit 63 degrees Celsius? A. Chicken. B. Fish. C. Ground pork. D. Stuffed meats. Answer, B. Fish. What is the proper cooling time? A. 135 degrees Fahrenheit 70 degrees Fahrenheit in 4 hours. B. 135 degrees Fahrenheit 70 degrees Fahrenheit in 2 hours, then to 41 degrees Fahrenheit within 4 more hours. C. 135 degrees Fahrenheit 41 degrees Fahrenheit in 10 hours. D. Cool overnight. Answer, B. 135 degrees Fahrenheit 70 degrees Fahrenheit in 2 hours, then to 41 degrees Fahrenheit within 4 more hours. A food recall means A. The food is discounted. B. The food is expired. C. The food may be unsafe and must be removed from sale. D. The food is defective but edible. Answer, C. The food may be unsafe and must be removed from sale. When storing chemicals, they must be kept. A. Above food prep tables. B. Next to clean utensils. C. Away from food and equipment. D. In food containers. Answer, C. Away from food and equipment. Which container is safe for storing acidic foods? A. Galvanized metal. B. Food-grade plastic. C. Painted containers. D. Containers with rust. Answer, B. Food-grade plastic. What is the correct way to open dry food packages? A. With dirty scissors. B. With a knife directly over food. C. With clean equipment, away from food. D. Tearing with teeth. Answer, C. With clean equipment, away from food. A food worker wiping sweat must: A. Step away and wash hands. B. Use their apron. C. Continue preparing food. D. Ask coworker to help. Answer, A. Step away and wash hands. The safest practice when preparing allergen-free meals is: A. Rinse utensils quickly. B. Use the same cutting board. C. Use clean equipment and prevent cross-contact. D. Cook it hotter. Answer, C. Use clean equipment and prevent cross-contact.